Ready for racing now. Gates open, they're off and racing for the 34th running of the Presidential Gold Cup race. We have Windrunner Jams for the LLF moving upon the outside is Empire King. A length back in third is the favorite, that is Real Spicy. Then moving upon the outside, also rushing up now is the Native Land Manhattan. Second last while War Alert is the early thriller. Passing before the judge stand for the first time. Empire King moves up in the early part by a length and a half. Right behind in second, Windrunner, Native Land now in third. The favorite Real Spice is in fourth. Then comes Manhattan and War Alert towards the winning post. Empire King with 59 on his back, leading the field by the rail. We have Windrunner, Native Land is on the outside, galloping into the fourth position is the favorite, and that is Real Spicy. Racing second last Manhattan, and War Alert still in behind them by about 8 lengths from back to front. Wheeling down the backstretch, it's still Empire King by about a length. Windrunner remains in second. Real Spicy now moving up, take third, now catching the second spot. And in fourth, we have Native Land Manhattan still second last, while War Alert still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, Empire King, a Real Spicy now charging in on the outside. A length and a half in third, we have Windrunner alongside Native Land Manhattan and War Alert. Time is running out as the 34th PCSO Gold Cup race now reached the last 400. Real Spicy now moves up. Empire King drops back in second. And as they race the final corner, now we have Real Spicy working like a tremendous machine. And down the stretch they come. Real Spicy by about 2 lengths now. And they would need to spread wings to get him. And nearing the finish line, 34th PCSO Presidential Gold Cup race belongs to Real Spicy. Empire King, Native Land, Manhattan, War